Hey guys, so I'm just at Mapleview right now. Look at where my husband is. Sir? Sir?
Are you there? Did you find anything?
I didn't go for the purpose of finding something.
Then why did you go there for?
I went because there's some things I want online and I went to see if they had it here so I could try it on, but they didn't. Hey guys!
Hey everyone!
Welcome to vlog number?
25.
We are just at the Mapleview Mall in Burlington. It's a Friday and we're going to my parents' house, but we thought we'd check out Forever 21 first.
But
and
I asked her, you know, I'll let you go to Forever 21 and H&M as long as you let me go to Homesense. I can't go a weekend without Homesense. So that's where we're going, guys.
that's where we're going right now. So we'll see you when we get there.
I'm so excited for Homesense.
Okay, come on.
Take a seat, right over there. Sat on the stairs, stay or leave. The cabinets are bare, and I'm unaware of just how.
Good morning. Good morning. You ready for a day out in the town? So, oh yeah, I'm ready.
I'm so ready, but I wish we were going to Homesense.
Yeah, because the last night you didn't want to go into Homesense.
What's a Saturday without Homesense?
Yeah, I gotta return one of those pillows.
Oh, actually we're going to Homesense?
No.
Oh, okay.
Maybe tomorrow. Another day, another $1.
There's Pokemon. Instead of Pokemon, gotta catch them all. We say, Homesense, you gotta shop them all.
Crazy. Hey guys, good morning. We are just on our way to a doctor's appointment in Toronto. It's about 8:45 on a Saturday. Doing my crazy hair. I slept on it wet. And yeah, so we're just on our way. We're really tired. I can barely open my eyes right now because it's so sunny. What about you?
Yeah, it's so sunny.
Yeah, it's so sunny. It's just not a morning person, so we're gonna head out and we will see you guys soonly. Bye.
Hey everyone.
Hey guys. You say it.
This is continuation of the current episode.
We're just on our way right now to Goodfellas. I didn't really want to cheat today, but my husband wanted to cheat. So that's why we're going, right? Because I was like, are you sure you want to go? And he's like, yeah, let's go. So I said, oh, okay.
To be honest, it's not about cheating and not cheating.
It's about using our gift card.
It's about using gift card.
Because we're going to Chicago in a couple weeks and we gotta save money. So Aisha said we must use the gift card
to pay for Chicago, and then we still gotta save money for the Europe trip this summer. I don't know if you guys know, but we're going to Europe, guys.
Yeah, we're going to Europe and we're going to Chicago, and who knows if there'll be another trip at the end of the year. So we gotta save some moolah. We are out. And maybe we'll film when we get there. Maybe we won't, because, you know.
Depending. I'm gonna have truffle oil something.
You're obsessed with truffle oil now?
Yeah. I'm hi-fi.
Hi-fi guy. Living in a hi-fi. His dad said hi-fi today. That's why we're laughing about hi-fi. Oh, red light is too blinding. Alright, bye guys. See you. Burp. So guys, we're just in Streetsville right now. This is a really popular place in Mississauga where they have cool restaurants. Some are open, some are not. In the summer, it's much better than it looks right now. Right, Hiro?
Right, madam. Hiro,
Quite cold.
not quite cold, honey. Really cold.
Right, what'd you get? Mussel pasta?
Muscle pasta.
Seafood
Muscle.
pasta. Hey guys, so today I made some keto-friendly creme brulee. Looks like this. I basically used egg yolks, cream, vanilla extract, and some sort of sweetener. But we are about to torch these bad boys up. It's gonna be so freaking good. I cannot wait.
The sugar doesn't.
This guy's crazy. We are just on our way right now. It's Sunday. Don't mind my laundry machine in the back. We're on our way to my Mill's house. I gotta get my Mindy done. I have a shoot that I'm doing. I'm getting married to another boy. So I gotta do all this stuff, and you know, Irshad's understood.
Brother, husband,
sister wives. Not that we're judging you, if whatever. Anyway, on another note, yesterday we cleaned out our storage room, and we like pulled out a lot of garbage and a lot of stuff. So we basically have 2 garbage bags of like, this is like literally just clothes. We had 3 garbage bags of dirt, and then these are some things that I'm gonna try and sell like on Marketplace. I don't know, it's not focusing in. We're just putting on our juta. Alright, let's go.
Can we try our first cigarettes? Oh, $10 was a fat stack. I do it all again. Oh.
So I'm on my way to do my Mindy right now. This guy is overly dedicated. Look at where the basketball game is playing. As he's driving.
What's the problem?
What isn't the problem, Nate? You'll be in a car accident. That's
No
what,
texting and driving. I'm not texting, no talking and driving. No talking.
you're distracted.
No.
This is distracted driving charge.
No.
And he has it on like the Bluetooth, so it's so loud now. I have to hear it.
You love basketball, right?
Oh. Anyway, so I'm on my way to the Mindy place, and I will record when I'm there. However, I think I can only show you guys like sneak peeks, but not the full thing, because you know. like. The other side has like some sort of tape on it to help it prevent it from not like drying out. But yeah, we just finished and now we're on our way back to Brampton. Irshad's doing this for me. We're dangerous. But yeah, we're on our way back.
Living on the edge here.
Living on the edge. So we're on our way back home now. Irshad's gonna go grocery shopping. He's also gonna make our meals today, right?
Your hands will be fine tonight.
Anyway, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hello? What's going on?
They're gonna break my water soon. I'm in the birthing room. And then oda korar por the natural, like the contractions, labor pains will start or who knows at contact. Yeah.
Those just gonna get worse?
Yeah.
But
So,
you're gonna
I think like only
like, yeah, I guess that would make sense. Your thing.
Okay, I will.
But are you excited?
Yeah, I'm also really nervous now.
Don't be nervous. They're gonna walk you through everything, right?
Yeah.
They're gonna tell you. Did you take any? But don't be nervous, okay?
Okay. I'm probably gonna have to turn off my phone like later, so you stay will be in touch.
Okay, keep me posted.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh! So my best friend is having her baby. I don't even know what to like think or say, but I'm so freaking excited for her. Like, this is years in the making. So this is a really special moment and I'm really glad that I got that on camera while I was vlogging. So hopefully by the next vlog, when you guys see this, you might see him. Or you might see our first visit with him. So I'm really excited. Oh, I'm so nervous for her too. She's such a strong person though that I'm sure she's gonna get through it. Like, obviously not with ease because it's not easy giving birth to a child, but she'll do really well. So I'm really excited. But yeah, what the heck. I wasn't even expecting, like, I was just gonna come on here and record like the outro to my video, but she just called. So it's been, I think, a week. Yeah, it's been actually exactly 1 week since our photo shoot for the body positivity campaign for Tadraj events. It was a really great shoot. I'm not allowed to post pictures yet of myself, but those will come out very soon, hopefully within the month of April. I still have my henna on. It is fading, but I'm kind of trying to force it to fade because I don't like it when henna just turns like slightly orange. So I've been using detergent and baking soda, or is it baking powder? No, it's baking soda. So hopefully that goes away soon. What else is happening? I think that's about it. We are going to Chicago very soon, so we're really excited for that. We're gonna pack away and all that stuff. So anyway, I just wanted to hop on here and officially close the vlog. Hope that you guys enjoyed spending some time with me this week, and I just wanted to thank everyone so much that encouraged and left beautiful comments on the last vlog about staying motivated and pushing on through even when times are hard. So thanks to those that provided me with those really great words of encouragement, and I hope that you guys enjoy this vlog. If you haven't seen my last vlog, make sure you click right over here, and please make sure that you subscribe to my channel to see more videos, more vlogs, more makeup tutorials, more everything and anything. Anyways, I will talk to you guys soon and hope you guys have a good one. Bye.